Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today I will show you something my brother told me about, and to be honest, this is really cool. It is called Advent of Code. As Wikipedia says, Advent of Code is an annual set of Christmas-themed computer programming challenges that follow an advent calendar and can be solved using any programming language. The puzzles are released at midnight in Eastern Standard Time and consist of 2 parts. But the coolest thing is that there are leaderboards based on speed. There are global and private leaderboards. I don't think that I have to tell you how important it is for developers to stay up to date and constantly learn new things. You wouldn't watch this video otherwise. If you're interested in more tutorials, especially Unity tutorials, and want to learn more about our game developer journey, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But now, let's start. This is the Advent of Code website. There are already 4 challenges because it is December the 4th. Now, let's check out the first challenge. Let's speed it up a bit. Basically, we have an array of integers and we have to tell how many times an integer was higher than its predecessor. To participate in this challenge, we have to identify ourselves. We can use GitHub, Google, Twitter or Reddit. We will just use GitHub because it's the easiest one for us. After you identified yourself, you can get your input for your puzzle. Basically, you will just get a bunch of numbers. We will use an online tool to add commas behind every number, so let's do it. You can use whatever language you want in Advent of Code. I will use C# because we are making Unity videos, but you can also choose 25 different languages, 1 language each day, which would be actually pretty cool and impressive. I wrote some tests as well. Basically, there are 2 methods I wanted to test: if a second number is higher and how many times the numbers increased. The code itself, it's actually pretty simple. There's an array of integers, a function that checks if the second number is higher than the first one, and a function which iterates over the array, and every time the second number is higher than the first one, increases the counter. Now we can compile the code in the terminal and run it, and our answer is 1154. And now we can enter our answer in the Advent of Code website, and it's right. That's the right answer. You're 1 gold star closer to find the sleigh keys. Well, that's awesome. And there's part 2, but I won't do part 2 now. I just wanted to show you the Advent of Code website because it's a pretty cool website, and to be honest, I like these challenges. They help us to get better. Guys, did you know about this challenge, or do you know any other cool challenge? Let us know in the comments. I hope the video was helpful.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating.